but they're growing in wild and they're big. If not, they're in small.
You put them in small pots.
Yeah, you put them in small pots. See? I mean, I hope they're the same thing. But look at those. They're tiny. They're supposed to be at least. But yeah. See, there are so many there.
Action.
Yeah, we're at the Great Ocean Road and we just made our first stop.
Yeah. Please take your rubbish home. Rubbish home. Boo boo, we'll have to take you back then.
Please take rubbish.
Boo, I think you can scan this and it will tell you something about
Let's
it.
see what it does.
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Page not found.
not found.
There's a trail over here, and you can walk down. See, come over here. There's a trail over here, and you can walk through that.
There are actually a lot of trails, but this one is scary. I don't think a lot of people have gone down. So we have a 15 to 30 minute walk. It says 12 Apostles Lookout and Gibson Steps Lookout. Oh, it is cold. They should have brought in a jacket. But I think if we walk, we'll be good. So 15 to 30 minutes. The 12 apostles that we're going to see. Online it said there are only 9 left, but
Where did they go?
I think what people are saying is there are 8 left. I don't know, let's see. Once we go there, if there are 9 or 8. I think that's the number.
You want to take a
Is that how it works?
You want to have it?
Yeah, or maybe when we come again for that.
Because usually whenever you take a guide,
They
it's
tell
way
you
better.
stuff you don't know.
Yeah. And they make it nicer for you. I think you should have worn shoes, I feel. Either if you feel very tired, then you can even walk without shoes. Yes. No drones, no cats and dogs. Stay on the car.
Drift.
So now we are at the 12 apostles. You have something to say? So there are.
Nothing. I didn't think I would see this.
Yeah.
The beach is so beautiful.
Yeah. The beach is really
Like
beautiful.
it's not a beach, shore, whatever,
Yeah.
but I mean,
You
it
can
is
go
a
down, it
beach.
takes about 30 minutes.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
track is about 30 minutes, but it's so nice. Cool. And I used to say I can wear white because somebody will wash it and I will not dirty it. And you can't wear it because you will dirty it. And you won't wash it.
You drop your glasses, right?
But just this.
Yeah.
Look.
Show me, show me.
Oh, my shirt, my tummy was
Yeah.
out. I don't know how many people have seen my tummy.
One more.
What we just saw. An alpaca. Yeah, look at this. It's a big alpaca and there's small alpacas in the front, and I'll show them to you when we're going out. But look at this. We saw a gourd chocolate factory board and we just entered it because it looked cool and there were alpacas and I really wanted to see alpacas. Hey buds. Hello. Thank you. Ooh. Look at these. Kangaroo, koala. We got 2 buckets of. Yeah, they get fed more. So yeah. So we're gonna go to feed the alpacas. Oh, see, there's another one here, but this one's smaller.
Coming?
It's coming. Hi, Phoebe.
Yeah.
Hi, cutie.
Hello.
Are you not getting any? Oh,
Better come from here. It's so sunny.
oh no. Cutie boy. Hi.
Yum 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 yum. Now more are coming.
Hi, बच्चे. देखो. Hi. Hello. Okay. Here. No, don't go there. Here. Hey. Here.
एक bucket नीचे रख दो. So it's easier for you. Oh, they're fighting. There's one more, this little one. Just throw some inside.
No, you come here. Come here. No.
Boo, it's outside.
I'll give it to him.
But there's one more coming.
Yeah. This little kid is not getting me.
It's tiny. डाल दो अंदर, सारे डाल दो अभी. Yeah. Yeah. Oi. All of them are coming over here.
बच्चे को मिला? बच्चा किधर गया?
Everyone's having a good time.
Uh-oh. Hey, kid. How much? Oh, you're not getting any.
डाल दो अंदर सारे. Oh, look at this one. He's
Are you that hungry?
There's a lot of hay over there. They just want this.
Are you? Boo, there's a baby here. Here. Call him. Oh, you डर गया?
Like, go. Fight.
Fight? They're so cute. I love it. Okay, let's go. We came for ice cream. I got some ice cream. I just flicked it up because it was melting. But we got it from there. It's called Fruits of the Forest. And that's where the beach is.